Here's a simple fix-it for a car that makes a clicking noise when turning. Reason 1. Worn CV axle. When the CV joint wears out, it clicks during sharp turns, especially when accelerating. Reason 2. Torn CV boot. If the boot rips, grease leaks out and the joint starts clicking. Reason 3. Loose suspension components. A worn ball joint or tie rod can make a popping or clicking sound when turning. Reason 4. Low power steering fluid. In rare cases, low fluid can cause a clicking or whining noise during turns. Reason 5. Bad wheel bearing. A failing bearing may click or growl when turning in one direction. If the clicking gets louder when turning sharper, the CV axle is usually the issue. This was another simple fix-it.